AI is transforming the way we blog. Instead of spending hours writing, formatting, and trying to optimize for SEO, tools like Autoblogging.ai can now generate full ready to publish blogs in just minutes. And here's where that connects to LGBTQ plus travel. More travelers today want destinations that are not just beautiful but also safe, inclusive, and welcoming. Writing about LGBTQ plus friendly cities is important, but building a full blog around it doesn't need to take half of your day. Here's the one that I just made. It's structured with SEO ready, filled with images and proper headlines, infographics, and all of done in under 3 minutes. Let me walk you through how I build this using Autoblogging.ai. You log in, on your left panel there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm using wizard, which basically lays out everything step by step from title to publishing, so the process feels effortless. Article title, I'm gonna type here best LGBTQ plus friendly cities to add to your travel bucket list. Next, article language, I am keeping it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 different languages. So if your readers are in Spanish, French, German, you can instantly generate versions for them too. Next, article length. For this one, I'm going to pick medium because it gives me enough space to highlight multiple cities without making the article too long. But here's what other style do. Short is perfect for quick posts and updates, and long is deeper in depth content that's great for SEO. Next, type of article. I'm going to pick places here since we're talking about different cities around the world. Here's what other options do. Informative creates a guide style explanation. Listicle is organized into numbered points, and service bar landing page creates a layout for promoting service or offers. Next, the tone of voice. Here I'm going to pick third person so the article reads like a neutral and trustworthy travel guide. Here's what other options do. Second is more like it speaks directly to the reader using the sentences or starting the sentences with you. And first person is more like a personal story. So third person. Next, writing style. Here I'm going to pick professional because travel blogs about inclusivity need a polished and reliable tone. But here's what other style do. Auto is where AI picks what fits the best according to our topic. Less AI words makes the blog more natural and human-like. Premium style 1 is SEO friendly formatting. Snippet optimizer shapes content for Google featured snippet. Witty adds a playful and a fun tone. And conversational is more friendly approach. Professional. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimize article. It improves SEO structure with clear headings. FAQs pull real questions people search about LGBTQ plus travel and answers them inside your blog. AI images will generate visuals that match the topic and adds them with alt text. An infographic creates a simple visual summaries that makes the blog easy to skim. Next, SERP analysis. This is like having a Google search built in. Instead of me checking what blogs are already ranking, Autoblogging scans them for me, sees how they are structured, and then builds my article using that proven framework, but with fresh and original writing. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type in how you want your article to be, and you can also select the location where you want to rank on top. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes for that extra benefit for my blog. Outline from competition copies the section flow from top ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted websites. YouTube video adds a video directly inside the blog, and key takeaways creates a summary box at the end for skimmers. Next, AI proofreading. This automatically fixes grammar and readability so the blogs feel smooth. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. If you already have other posts like best pride festivals or inclusive travel tips, Autoblogging will link them inside this article. That helps reader explore more of your content and boost your SEO. So you just have to enable this and paste your domain here. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a real editor to double check everything, you just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. And yes, for this you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can always buy from our dashboard. Now head on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down, and within minutes you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that to publish with properly structured headings, and images, infographics added. Now, if you want to save some time for the next time, here's what you can do. Go to quick and single and just enter your blog title here, and with fewer clicks you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard, and you can also use a bulk generate option which allows you to upload multiple titles at once, and also Autoblogging creates them all and even auto post them to WordPress. AI has made blogging as fast as booking a flight. And with Autoblogging.ai, you can create a complete SEO ready travel blogs like this one on LGBTQ plus friendly cities in under 3 minutes. And if you don't even want to set this up for yourself, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll handle the entire blog for you. If you enjoyed this, hit a like, subscribe, and comment which LGBTQ travel topic you would like me to cover next.